Neurologists around the world were wondering how people could get inflicted with severe brain injuries without even a slight crack in their skull. So they wanted to find out with something which is exactly similar to the brain. That's nothing but an egg. Like the brain, the egg has a hard shell. It has semi-solid contents inside. Same is the case with the brain. There's a hard skull and semi-solid contents inside the brain and the cerebrospinal fluid. So when they try to inflict transactional trauma or direct impact on the eggshell, nothing used to happen to the contents of the egg, unless of course the shell is broken. Same is the case with the brain. In a transactional impact or a direct impact, nothing happens to the brain until the skull is broken. Now, they placed the egg in a centrifuge and rotated at a very high speed, and they suddenly stopped the egg. So there was a rotational impact. There was no crack on the shell, but when they examined the contents of the egg, they found there is severe damage to the contents of the egg, to the albumin and the yolk. Now, exactly the same thing happens in accidents. When a car suddenly stops, the impact of the sudden stoppage causes internal injury to the brain, because brain has a semi-solid structure without even a slight crack on the skull. So it is actually the humble egg which taught neurologists what exactly happens in a traffic accident where there is no skull injury but there is severe brain injury. Thanks to the egg. Thank you very much.